Hey guys, what's happening? Joshua Elder here. This is a different kind of video. I wanted to kind of just quickly jump on camera with you guys here. I know a lot of you guys are new. Some of you guys are coming back to the channel. Regardless, make sure that you give me a thumbs up and that you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And we're just gonna kind of walk through my house and have a little bit of a conversation here. As you can see, I just moved into a brand new house, still in the process of putting in a lot of furniture here, as you can see. Just wanted to quickly jump on and talk about the power of being consistent in your business and the power of doing things when you don't feel like doing them, right? So many people fail in business because they're not doing tasks that put money inside their pocket every single day. Right? They're spinning their wheels, spending time trying to find the shortcut, trying to find a quicker way to get to their end goal instead of just putting their head down and going to work. And that's something that, I really focus on every day, is just doing something inside of my business, whether it's sending out an email, whether it's doing a quick video, whether it's checking in with my team, right? So many people are continuing to think that they need to learn something more before they take action. They feel like they need to perfect everything and put all their ducks in a row before they actually complete, and take action inside their business. And the truth is you guys don't need to do this, right? One of my mentors said, passion on fire is better than knowledge on ice, right? Taking action, imperfect action, is better than trying to take perfect action. Because if you try and take perfect action, chances are you're never going to complete what you need to complete, and it's not going to be up to your standard. So I want to inspire you this week to go out there and just take massive action. Don't look at the end result. Don't get attached to the end result. Forget about the naysayers. Forget about the negative comments. Forget about what your friends and your family and everybody else thinks. This is about you. This is about growing you. And your income's going to grow to the extent that you do. But the only way that you're going to grow is through pressure, is through pain, is through enduring, right? Diamonds are created from pressure. Muscles built from some sort of pressure, right? Some sort of weight, some sort of resistance. And the same thing goes for your business. If you're not adding weight to yourself mentally, if you're not taking action, if you're not doing things when you don't feel like doing them, what's going to happen is your confidence account is going to go down. What's your confidence account? Well, every single day there's events happening in your life that either increase your confidence or decrease your confidence. Right? So when you set a goal, right? Let's say you promised yourself you're going to go to the gym 5 times this week, right? But you end up going to the gym 3 times. What's going to happen? Your brain's going to tell yourself, oh my gosh, you know what? I didn't keep my promise. I can't do this. And that's going to decrease your confidence. So the next time you go and try and complete that task or that goal, you're going to tell yourself, you're going to remind yourself, the last time you set that goal, you didn't complete it, right? And so what you want to do is, number one, set at first obtainable goals, take baby steps, gamify it, make it fun. So maybe the first week you create 2 pieces of content for your business, or you work out 2 times a week, and then you actually complete that, right? You do what you promised yourself you would do. The next week you do it 3 times or 4 times. So on and so forth. So as you make these promises to yourself and you complete these tasks, then you're going to build that confidence account, and then you can further gamify it. You can get to a point where, for example, in my business, one of my first goals was to make $5, just $5 a day inside my business. And I'm like, okay, if I make $5 a day inside my business, that's like a $5 footlong from Subway, right? And so I thought that was pretty cool. I'm like, I'm going to earn a sandwich a day in my online business. And once I hit that, I gamified it to $10 a day. I'm like, okay, that's a combo meal. Pretty healthy combo meal, right? So $10 a day. And then once I hit $10 a day, I'm like, okay, I'm going to hit $20 a day. That's about, 9 holes of golf. So let's do that. I'm going to earn 9 holes of golf every single day. And you can gamify this the way that you want to make it fun and enjoyable for yourself. But the idea is to not think that you got to work 8 hours a day to obtain your goals, or you got to kill yourself in the gym to obtain your goals, right? It's like the old cliche, you want to work smart, not just work hard. But how about you work smart and you work hard, okay? And you enjoy the process. Enjoy the process. So we have these big audacious goals, and we think that we have to like give it our all for like and grind it out, you know, for days upon end. And then what happens is when we don't live up to these expectations, we tell ourselves that we're not good enough, and then it's just a repetitive, perpetual cycle of us telling this stuff. And then we end up not trying that goal again because of what happened previously. So I hope you got value from this video. I hope your biggest takeaway is the fact that you should just go out there, be consistent, take action regardless of how you feel, right? And don't give yourself longer than 5 seconds to make a decision, because then you'll start to talk yourself out of whatever it is that you're supposed to do at any given moment in time, right? So if you've got to go to the gym, count to 5 and then say, I'm going to the gym, and go do it. Don't think about anything else, because then you're just going to talk yourself out of it. If it's working on your business, if it's, you know, doing something you just absolutely hate to do, but you know it's going to help you grow, go and do it. So with that said, this is Josh Elder. If you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up, right? Subscribe to this channel. I know this is a different kind of video, but success is in fact 90% mindset. And it's just simply being consistent. There's tons of YouTube videos out there teaching you the next big strategy, the next big hack, the next big shortcut. But what these YouTubers are doing, what any successful business owner is doing, is they're consistent every single day. So with that said, Josh Elder signing off. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.